Alright, so we ran into a clog issue on our Bambu Lab A1. We tried a no clogger on it, and that didn't work, so we're going to replace the nozzle of our printer.
So we tried this Declogger tool that you punch through the, what you call that piece?
The
Extruder, but that didn't work. So what we had to do to resolve our clog is to get a new
nozzle.
So we got this one off of Amazon. It's an authentic bamboo part. Let me see it. All right, perfect. Real easy to replace and swap out. You have to remove the original. It's got these little clamps. And you just slide it out. And then you put the new piece right in, and hopefully we will be back up and running. If you guys are doing 3D prints, I'm sure you've ran into this stuff quite a bit. What you're supposed to do is heat it up really good, and then you can use that tool to poke through, but no matter what we did, it just would not clear that clog. It was in there kind of weird, so this is what we're gonna do. All right, he's got it clamped back down in there. Normally there's a little face plate like this over that piece. You just take that off so you can access it. Then you put your little rubber piece back on there, and we should be back up and running here shortly. See if the error clears. All right, no errors so far.
Alright, so I used ChatGPT to create this Keycap model for my printer. That I can possibly sell on Etsy.
All right, so this is your first, well, this is a print that you created using AI yourself. So there's no creator of this particular print. Very awesome. So we can create our own designs now, and this will be a test to see. No errors.
So now it's starting to heat up the nozzle. So this is the final test to see if it will work.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working.
I think we might be back in business, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, it worked since it was able to extrude the filament this time.
Well, this was the piece we took out. If you look deep in there, you see that red. That is the red filament that was stuck in there, and there was a hole that poked through when we were trying to pull it out, but it just never all the way came out. I do like the way this printer's designed by Bambu to be able to just swap this piece out so easy whenever you have a clog with, you know, normal printers and stuff like that. It's a real pain trying to clear a clog, but with this, you can just replace this piece. It cost us about 15 to 20 bucks on Amazon, and back in business. So why does it always have that little stringy stuff it's got there?
So sometimes it's like purge old filament, or like right now it's doing that dynamic low calibration on the printer.
Okay, cool. All right, I'll show you Aiden's own design AI print here in about 15 minutes. When it's done, we'll come back. All right, it's printing away. This is pretty exciting. I'm excited to know that this kid has created his own AI design this time. So this wasn't designed by anybody else. He had AI do it for him. Technology is changing the world. It's beautiful. I'm not sure what this is he is printing, but we'll see here when it comes out. He can tell us all about it. All right, so his print is complete. What he made was a keycap for a keyboard. I wasn't sure what he meant at first, but now I see exactly what he means by the keycap. So you just push that down, and you've got your own little custom key. All right, so he's gonna start at Etsy. We'll post his prints on Etsy for anybody who might be interested in any of these, but very cool. I like it.
Thank you guys for watching me fix my 3D printer today. We'll see you next time on our next 3D printing video.